Say hi to our first butterfly and caterpillar. She's gonna be on this tomato plant. Maybe I'll switch her to other plants if she will not, or he will not be eating. He or she, I don't know. The butterfly, you know what I mean. I'm sure there's like, I don't know if they have sex or they're, I really don't know a lot about them. But here it is, her own garden and her own plant. Hello? There you go. So this butterfly's journey started with my journey. I am into aquaponics and aqua garden, and I need living organism, but I'm gonna make here in the front yard, right here in the center, and I'm getting attention from the birds. I'm gonna make butterfly garden right here at the front.